Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Uba Paul Lengdo ubalong Menteri Jongatanat Social Welfare haga khanyo tarik Risau Arjar Arfulai ula pentip baga East Khasi Hills kadai ga district ka Jingjyllei Shabah Palat ki Nongdih Drok. Nangta bot saga East Jingjyllei Hills bat ka Ribhoi district. Haga jingye kren bat kilat patai kubor uba Paul Lengdo ula ong ba klem ka jingye trailang gidor ba shnong bar ki pait ba nong jong shnong. Ka jing tmu jong ka sarkar bania khun thma persya ya ka Jingjyllei jong Drok. Kanam long gaba say so.
The highest number of cases is East Khasi Hills, followed by East Jingjyllei Hills and Ribhoi district. Kebanyakan soalan kalau bangidon kami ya ke community participation. Mo, klaim ka jingya trailang jong ke community, kani ka kam kanum poi shamo ru nilai I ka jing job jong ka jing kun haka pandemic din baga community participation kebanyakan dua kali kata kabar ke approach ni kalau multi pronged in penseluruh ya isnong bakin dip bakin iki adik ke bangila bakin pak iki syaki di addiction center nangta ya ini ki center ki jongi ki bangi don hasilong ki don arteli ki bangi ai free treatment kabakentup nadu bangi shaw yakinayin bat bangi ai kabam kejing sumar baru kai ka kanban kejing pelut na kalen joki de kini ki center ki dei kumne ka Kripa Foundation di Addiction Center for boys namda ki rang mau ka siang namda ki kentai EGPA New Hope di Addiction Center mau ka siang nangta kidon ru hajawai badaha nokstop
kidon ki checklist kapag hapon maintain bakin mila ong yaki bakin resubmit the proposal strictly as per the checklist because it has to be very accurate and there should not be any mistake because that order given under this PIT NDPS Act by the authority notified the government, which is me, will have to go to the advisory board afterwards. So that's why we have put in a detailed checklist, and the police will be in the next few days will be resubmitting these proposals, and we will then look into issuing the detention order. Yes. If I'm not mistaken, I don't recall, but maximum of these cases are from East Khasi Hills.
Five cases. Five cases.
As I said, we are very serious on tackling this menace, which is why these meetings have been taking place almost every week, and we are serious about coming up with new rules to make them more stringent. These rules will of course have to go to the cabinet before they are brought to the before they are approved. Dang mendan DC, SP East Khasi Hills la itu bakal don kiri wala de kem wala tandu de Jingjyllei bat ganja wala sis.